Air fryers have taken the cooking world by storm, promising healthier fried foods with less oil and faster cooking times. Unlike traditional deep fryers, air fryers use rapid air circulation technology to create a crispy exterior by circulating superheated air around your food at high speeds. In our tests, we found that air-fried foods use up to 80% less oil than traditional deep frying, while still achieving that coveted crispy exterior. From crispy chicken wings to perfectly cooked vegetables, the air fryer excels at creating that restaurant-quality crunch without the excess grease. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Air fryers can cook food up to 50% faster than conventional ovens, making them perfect for busy households. They're also more energy efficient than traditional ovens, using less electricity while taking up minimal counter space. While air fryers excel at cooking frozen foods, breaded items, and vegetables, they might not be the best choice for wet battered foods or large family portions. For singles, couples, or small families living in apartments, an air fryer can be a game changer, but larger households might find the capacity limiting. Maintenance is surprisingly simple, with most models featuring dishwasher-safe parts and non-stick coatings that make cleanup a breeze. So, is it worth the hype? For most people, especially those looking to eat healthier while enjoying crispy foods, an air fryer is definitely a worthwhile investment.